What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one because we're going to be talking about my next 3 mods. And well, if we're modifying, it's probably going to be a fun day. But first, like, comment, and subscribe. Just like you, I'm always looking for the next modifications to do to my Tacoma. I haven't done a modification for a very long time, and when I did do modifications, I was kind of like hitting it back to back. Maybe not got exhausted, I just wanted to slow down so I didn't buy stuff that I would regret later. I just did the lift kit, I just put bigger tires on, and well, I just wanted to make sure I don't go overboard, but I just make the truck look perfect. So if you, like me, are modifying your Tacoma, you kind of want inspiration from others, you want to know what you should do, what not to do, this video should help you out because, well, we're on that same adventure. Now, with that being said, I have modified my truck rather, I would say medium, right? So there's some people that go completely overboard and do the absolute most. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. Other people do the minimal. They just put a brand new set of tires on there and call it a day. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, and if I were not doing YouTube, I probably would do the same thing. We're on the YouTube grind. We're doing things for views on this channel. I sound very desperate. I'm not saying I am. I'm not saying I'm not. I'm just kidding. I like to modify my truck and I can share it for YouTube, so why not do both? So the number one thing that I'm looking to change on my Tacoma currently are the headlights and the taillights. I'll just include them in both because, well, they kind of fit into the same thing. Now, headlights and taillights on the stock 2020 Toyota Tacoma are the worst. I think that they made a huge mistake from the 2019s. They added this like chrome and like gray interior on the taillight that just throws the truck off so horrendously bad. Maybe on a gray limited truck it would look nice, but not on a quicksand sport. Like it looks so weird. It's so bizarre. It's the weirdest thing. I can't make any sense of it. I'm thinking about getting like either blackout TRD Pro taillights and TRD Pro headlights from maybe like a 2019, or just find some other aftermarket modified headlights. If you've modified your taillights or headlights, let me know, because a lot of people do, a lot of people don't, and I want to know your reasons why you haven't. Is it just budget? Is it just because you're scared that they're not going to last? Because that's my reason. The second one is why I'm so scared. I have a lot of friends on Facebook that do these type of things, and some people will be like, hey, I just got like 3 years of usage out of these headlights, and then this other person will be like, just purchased these 2 weeks later, the blinker doesn't work. And yes, I offered them, you know, hey, did you check the blinker fluid? And that usually is the issue, but I just don't want to have to go to AutoZone and buy blinker fluid. So that's really what's kind of holding me off. I'm a little bit worried, but obviously I'll figure it out sometime soon, I guess. I don't know. I want to make sure that I don't have to dish out, you know, $200-300 for headlights again after I purchase them. Number two mod, and people are gonna absolutely fry me in the comment section for this one. Window tint. Look, brother, sister, listen to me. I tried. I have reached out to so many people, so many companies for window tint. I was even willing to drive like 3 hours away for this guy to do my window tint. Didn't respond. No response, so I'm literally like at a loss for words. And then I have friends who ask the same companies and they respond. But yes, I want to get window tint. I feel like it's one of the things that should have came from factory, but obviously for legal reasons they can't, but it needs to be done. I obviously don't know how dark I want to go. I do know how dark I want to go. Legally, I don't know how dark I want to go. I did, however, see this one Tacoma the other day, and it went very well with his theme. It was a white Tacoma, and the wheels were chrome, but like a reflective chrome. And his windows all the way around were a reflective chrome. So you could see your car in his window, but you couldn't see into his car. It was super sick. Very nice looking Tacoma. Now I wish I could do that, but I don't have enough money to pay a ticket every time I leave my home. I am gonna go with just a standard black tint. Alright, so the third modification that I'm really looking into is something to do with my bed. So whenever I'm driving around, it's usually just me and Sandy, or just me. But then me and Sandy want to go out and have some dinner with her mom, her mom's friends, so on and so forth. That's not a problem because we have 3 back seats. We get dinner, it's all nice and dandy, but then we want to go to Walmart, and then to Target, and then the mall. And by that time, there's nowhere to put stuff in the truck, so we have to go to the bed. But I don't have a bed cover, like no type of bed cover. I have bungee cords back there that don't do the best at holding things in the bed, so I need some type of bed cover. I see there's some on Amazon for like 200 bucks, so I'm thinking I may go that way, but there's also some for like 800 bucks, but those are soft top camper shells. So I'm thinking, I don't know. A lot of people like the way the soft taco looks. A lot of people are against it. I'm kind of a fan, like the whole black soft top. I don't know. I may just get a simple bed cover, see how I like that, because I do use my bed a lot and I need the height sometimes. So if I just have that bed cover that folds back, I can just always use that height and I have no problema with that. But camper just looks so much cooler. All right, so you know your boy, he always got one more for you, and well, I got one more for you. This one is kind of weird. I'm kind of not liking it just because of how many cars in my city drive around with this horrendous noise, and I'm scared that's what my truck would sound like. But have you done anything to your exhaust? I really want to, just because it would be cooler to have a louder sounding truck. A lot of people just recommend getting a different air filter and that'll do it for you and not annoy everybody on the outside, which I personally like, because a lot of the modifications I like to do is just for me and not to have too much attention drawn to me. Because obviously you have a stoplight, you take off, cop sees you, cop hears you, he's gonna turn around, turn those lights on, and now you have problems to deal with. I don't know. Let me know. Do you have an exhaust? Is it cool? Is it worth it? Is it drony? Is it annoying? Let me know. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know what modifications you guys have going on, what modifications you have brewing in the crock pot. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like a naughty. I'll see you tomorrow. Sing tomorrow. Peace.